Hello, you early bloomers, and happy Pride to one and all. Before we start our rainbow-themed arrangement today, I wanted to just talk about my favorite recipe for the summer. It's just a little bit of vodka and soda water over ice, and then I add a popsicle. The popsicle adds a ton of fun flavor, plus isn't that so cute? Cheers! Oh, yes. So, to get our arrangement started today, what you're going to want to do is unpack your flowers and place them across your counter in the rainbow color sequence. So we'll lead over here with lavender into blue and indigo, greens, then yellow, our oranges, a little bit of pink, and end on red. So, how we'll get the party started is to grab our central yellow flower. And so this is going to be the more bulbous of the flowers in your kit. And we're just going to figure out the height by sort of measuring right to the base, just like that, of our arrangement. And so this will just sort of slide right down towards the front, allowing this to be the sort of focal point of our arrangement. So instantly, we want to counterbalance that. And this arrangement is going to give us a little bit more height than what we usually do here at Sip and Bloom, but it's going to be so much fun. So I'm just going to take my Spider Mom, eliminate all of those green leaves off of there. We're going to pull off its shield, allowing the Spider Mom to really open up. And then we're going to cut this one to about here, halfway up the stem. And this will sit counterbalanced towards the back of our arrangement. Isn't that beautiful? Now we need to start filling in right away. And so that's where we're going to use our bright yellow filler. There's a few different variations in each of your kits. This tutorial works for both of the petite and the large kit. Okay, so slicing these into two different pieces and cutting them down to size. We're going to use one to fill in the back of our arrangement. So this will sort of layer in, surrounding our Spider-Man, combining that sort of green and yellow. And then the second piece we'll use towards the front. So pretty. Now, I want to go all the way to the right of our arrangement where we'll be placing the lavender. And so we have some lavender status. And this is going to sit on an angle off to the side. So now that we have one piece of status in, I want to grab one of our carnations in that beautiful red color. These are really going to open up. Cutting it down to size and placing this all the way to the left. So now we're going to grab our indigo flower. And those of you who got the Luxe arrangement, you're also going to find that you have some thistle in your box as well. So with the thistle and our beautiful night flower, we're just going to remove some of those leaves that would touch the water, and we want to keep this piece fairly tall. I'm going to cut it just a bit, and we'll have it sit nice and tall towards the back, sort of fit between that purple status, giving that bright indigo pop. I'm going to use one more piece of this yellow to just tie in our different hues here. And don't be afraid to really cut these flowers down. You know, you really want it to fill out the vase and create that rainbow-like shape. I'm going to grab one of these beautiful pink flowers, and this is going to sit opposite, but sort of towards the front, like this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now we have our oranges, and we do want to use the orange to sort of break up these bright reds and pinks from the yellows. And so I want to actually keep this nice and tall, sort of angled a little bit towards the back so that this is a 360-degree arrangement. And I'm going to do it right about here, and allowing this beauty to sort of sit tall over in this direction. Now see how we're starting to combine these bright, powerful colors allowing them to just sort of blend within themselves. I'm gonna use this as a whole bunch. Again, adding that bright blue color palette towards the edge of our arrangement. And this is also gonna sort of bring the different scales that we have. Notice how we have shorter pieces, really long pieces, and those in-betweens that really make this arrangement look fabulous. Another pink, I sort of wanna go lower with this one. And you can start a little bit taller and decide you wanna shorten it up. Just make sure that you're placing these directly down into the vase. Just like this. Nice and low. So pretty. All right. Now we have our smaller, more cactus-shaped yellow saffron. And so this again is going to be one of those combo pieces that's going to tie in our orange tones with our yellow tones. See how that sort of breaks up that color theory there? Now, each of you in your kit should have found some beautiful hypericum berries in red. Now, hypericum berry leaves wilt really quickly, even though the plant itself is quite healthy. So what we're going to do is we're going to just peel these right off of here, allowing those berries to sort of just sit boldly on their own. And these we're going to put right down front and center in our arrangement, like this. Last but not least, I'm going to add one more carnation. Beautiful. And so, there we have it. A beautiful 360-degree rainbow with these beautiful bright shades. Now I just wanted to leave you with a little note, which is that for those who got the luxe arrangements, with this kit, you can just expand the scale using those extra pieces that you got in your kit, or you can do two smaller arrangements that you can place around your house. So feel free to just take liberty with it and have a ton of fun this Pride season. Cheers.